Hi guys, so as you might have gathered, my nana's passed away back in November. I'm going to be showing you some pictures on my phone of her and my past self and my cousins from when I was a bit younger. So first of all, we start off with this picture. That's me nana and my dog Jess. That was long before I was born. And I've also got the next one, which is Rihanna as she was a little toddler. And that's me and Jay when he had a patch on his eye. If I turn this a little brown, you'll probably see me there, the little baby, and my mum and dad, and the cat Buttons. The lighting's a bit terrible on this picture because... yeah, I'll zoom in. There. You probably able to see my little baby head. That's me as a baby. I'll zoom back out. And there's Jay as a toddler. It's Jay and Rihanna's when they were little ones. That's me there, me nana. That's my baby cousin Jay when he was a baby. That's me when I was younger. I don't know why I look very tall on there. I don't know why. I don't remember having that jacket. And that's when we were younger. These next ones are right recent of us, but as I can gather, they're quite past the 10th. Like Jay here, that's his school photograph. I haven't got a picture of Rihanna's school photo, but I should have one very, very soon enough. This is their dog, Roxy. The cousins who look alike, don't you think? Me and Rihanna. There's us again. You think how we look alike is how we smile. I think we do. And all my friends here. My boyfriend, me, Shane and Jazz. They're all the same. I like this one of me, my boyfriend and Richard. Tortoise229 and Johnny's videos. Subscribe to these, they also have a YouTube channel. These is a couple of my work photos. If I scroll along, Sally the snail, that's her there, she's massive. That's her being an African giant land snail. Then we move on to Roly the tarantula. We don't know if she's going to grow any bigger. I think she's big enough for a 6-year-old red knee tarantula. And then with the blue tongue skink doesn't have a name, but he's a boy, and there he is. And the Berber skink is a girl but doesn't have a name, and there she is. And that's Spike, our bearded dragon. And that's the tortoise's names. Zombie's the big one, Toby's the small one, and Tilly's the medium one. And there's our corn snake slithering. And you can just see the chameleon's tail just there, Pascal. And that's Kyle, bit of his body holding the rat. And these are the little piglets who are getting given away to the farm. There's only 2 left. And I've also got a few pictures off college. But they were the days. There we all are. Well, not all of us actually, some of us. There's most of us. And that's just Caitlin. And that's just me. Here we are again, Tortoise229. And Johnny's videos. And that's all of us normally. We have a group photo somewhere. The teacher photobombed us, so that's all of us. There's me there, and there's Tortoise229. Take a selfie photo. And there's also a funny picture somewhere. I don't know if Johnny will remember this, but there we are. Subscribe to Lucy. She's also got a YouTube channel. Hers is Princess Lucy. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to keep subscribing. Bye.